So I just had the weirdest thing happen. I was working on all the very important projects that I'm part of, when all of a sudden I hear this commotion from outside my front door. I open it up and there's this enormous stork. And I scream, I do a little bit, ah! Sorry, I scared my cat. And the stork flies away, but at the doorstep, there's a little package. So today we're going to be opening that. Here it is. Must have been a huge bird to carry such a package. Before I open this, I do have a sneaking suspicion of what this might be. I'll have to tell you another story in order to open it. So a long time ago, before I was an artist and before I started drawing and all that, I was walking through the woods one day and I was thinking, you know what? I have got to get more Instagram followers. And all of a sudden, this ugly little unicorn just pops out in front of me and she's like, I can draw. I know how to draw so good. And I was like, you can? So I started, scratching my chin. I was like, starting to think about it. She showed me a drawing. Looked great. So naturally, I had to capture her and take her from her natural habitat and chain her up in my basement. And that's where all my artwork comes from these days. But the unicorn's name is Gummy. You may have seen her around. She, who cares? But a while back, I commissioned an artist to make a plush of her. So, without further ado, this is the unboxing. I'm very excited. Alright, let's see here. Oh man, I should have gotten some scissors. Oh, there we go. It's already open. Oh, we've got the green tissue paper. Let's open it all the way. You know what? I gotta do this the right way. Let me get some scissors. Odie, what are you doing?
Sniff, sniff.
This is my son. He's only 7 months old, and he's huge. You move? You cute, your booch? You're so cute. No! Excuse you? Scooch! Move! Ow! Bastard! Okay. Scissors. Snip. And snip. We've got green tissue paper. What a cute touch. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Here she is! Ah, she's in real life! Oh my goodness gracious. I have to break her out of her embryo, her embryonic sac. Birth. Rise. Yes! Yes! Oh my god! Oh my goodness. She's real! Gummy in real life. Look at her! Oh my god. So she was also made with like a custom pattern that's like based on my art style. So I'm kind of obsessed with how like scrunk she looks. Like look at that. She looks like she got hit in the face. But like in the best of ways. Oh, and her tail is posable. I requested that her little limbs be movable so she can pose a little bit. Look at her little, ah. Oh my gosh. Okay, so look at how the mane was done. It's so cute. Like she's a very like cartoony type of creature. Hi, Odie. Oh my gosh. And here's the artist's tag. Oh, I don't have the heart to take that off. So cute. Nero Flutter, Nero Fluttermouse on Twitter. Super cool, super amazing artist. Was very good to work with and commission. Look at the woman! She's real! Look, Odie, she's real! My kitty cat. Oh my gosh. Well, that just about does it. I'll probably do like a little photo shoot with her because she's super awesome. Oh my god, hold on. I have an idea. Wait. Gotta pose her a little bit. What brings you to my office today? Look at him. Look at him.
You like the box? Is that yours?
Well, anyways, thank you for watching my unboxing video, and thank you to Nero for this amazing plush. This is such a, like, I can't believe it. It's kind of hard to register that, like, finally, I've got the status symbol of my own plushie. Oh, she's so cute. I hope she fits on my shelf. She's huge. All right, bye.